How to get free gift and credits in Temu. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your Temu app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You will land to the home page. Now at the bottom you're gonna find different options. Go ahead and click on the option of View. Now in this page you'll find the option of On Credit and Free Gift. Click on it. Temu, being a giant in online shopping, aims to give back it to its users. They do this through free gift, discounts and even flash sales. This means you can snag some fantastic deals without worrying about scams. Temu's branded free gifts serve multiple purposes such as introducing new products, increasing demand and sales, penetrating new markets, outperforming competitors, and more. Using any of these options, you can easily get free gift on Temu. All you have to do is go ahead and click on it. So I have selected 5 free gift. Now I can select 5 free gift. Once you pick the gift, now you have to provide your shipping address, fill it and then click on next step. So these are the gifts that I have selected. After you pick all these gifts, go through the process and with that you will receive the gift. Well, using any of these options, you can easily earn free gift and credit in Temu. Well, that's all for this video. I hope now you guys are clear about how to get free gift and credits in Temu. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.